What a lovely day. Hello everyone, I'm Sasha. Today we are going to explore Yongqing Village in Daojiao Town, a gorgeous ancient water town in Dongguan. Welcome our travel guide. Hey, Xiaowei.
Hello，莎莎，
这里很美，很舒服。
很高兴你喜欢这里。我们以村委会为起点，延长至富华路作为美丽庭院示范带建设，融合儿童友好和家风家教的元素，沿街设计绿植、文化彩绘，培育5户美丽庭院加微经济，还设置了不少打卡点。
Wow, 真不错. I heard there is a place in the village called 世游田铺. That sounds really special.
对，现在我们就去世游田铺喝一碗地道的道教糖水。
Let's go.
世游田铺啊，是一家藏在道教永庆村里面的甜品店。这里曾经是道教教养厂的这个原址，如今它在店主的精心布置之下，打造出具有设计感、故事性的优美小院。它被赋予了新的生机。美丽庭院不仅有愿景，更有前景。店内提供各式茶饮、糖水和小吃，让前来的客人既赏美景又品美食。每天都有不少的客人慕名而来。
So yummy.
Yongqing Village, as we call it in Chinese, Shuixian Wenhua, naturally has beautiful scenery related to water. Now we're continuing to explore Yongqing Village on these beautiful boats. Yongqing Village is a vibrant place where you can enjoy beautiful scenery of the water town, try its cuisine and experience its culture. This is Xiaojian Nan that belongs to Dongguan people. 永金村等你来。